About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
How this went wrong?
So this thing we're supposed to park on just went against our stair. What do you think, Lucky? Oh, that's coming loose.
It's a good start.
Yes, good. Okay. So this is how it's supposed to be done. Never do the other way around.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free.
So we're here in the forest and we have these lovely crayfish here, and it's a tradition in Sweden in August to have something like kräftskiva, which basically means like crayfish party. Now it's not really August yet, you know, we can't wait, so it's the 31st of July, so we're ready to celebrate it. And the idea is you take one crayfish, one shot of vodka, and you just continue that until or the crayfish are empty or the bottle of vodka is empty.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Now we're on our way to Harge Uddar. It should be a quite nice nature reserve. So after a small walk in the forest, we're now reaching the water. And it looks nice over here. There's a lot of blueberries.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn the memories.
So we decided to take a little bit different detour, but I think right now we're a little bit stuck because we have to somehow get off here. And that does seem like a little bit steep. We'll see. Stay. Stay. Alright, that way was at least a little bit better than this big rock wall. Now I have to see how we manage to go further. But I think we're getting closer to the path, so we'll manage.
And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
This walk has been really nice. It's very variating, and you walk in the whole time next to the water. And every time you have these little places like this, it seems like really lovely to go and swim, but too bad the weather is not that great for it today. But we have to come back here maybe once when the weather is great, because this looks like really nice places to swim.
The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Well, I just said it was too cold to swim, but apparently there are some people that think that this is the perfect weather for a swim.
Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running.
Mushrooms!
What this is like, honestly. It's amazing. My favorite.
That's what happens when you drive a forest road and Iana's next to. She always finds mushrooms from the car.
So many people say that you cannot take a big motorhome. Off-road. Here we go. What do you say?
I'm not saying it's always the best choice, but we can try.
Lucky you like it?
The funny part is if I look at the GPS, there was also just another route that gets there directly. So.
Doubting you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone. Everything that we could have been. But
at first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah. At first I thought I'd work around it. I'd work around it. But you turned out to be so different. Yeah, you turned out to be nothing like them. I changed my mind and got behind it. I got behind it. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break.
Are you ready?
Yes.
We saw a little bit sign here that goes to somewhere a cliff edge, so we thought we should check that out. And this is the view on Vättern, Sweden's second largest lake. You can see why. It looks almost like a sea, so.
Keep cruising till we hit the morning, and then we'll do it all over again.
So what are you preparing?
Snack for the road.
We have a little coffee. And we had a little lunch. Now we're just parked around this nature reserve in Crayfish.
We pass the reds, ignore the warnings. Ignore the warnings. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break. You got what I need effortlessly. Let me know you want it. With you I can breathe, air goes so deep. Let me know, cause I can't lie. Let me know, cause I need you. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we've got rules to break, rules to break. I'd let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane, aeroplane. You and me, you know, will never fade. Come on, baby, we got rules to break, rules to break.
So now we're going to the main point of the walk. There's like a really nice waterfall around here. And I'm pretty sure you can hear it already in the video. So here it is.
Vanlife country road.
So this was Västanå. It's a beautiful little place. It's right at Vättern, and you have this magnificent water mill that makes like flour and stuff. And it's just really nice to walk around. It's like a small walk.
Small village.
A small village. It's like beautiful houses like this.
My head is gone.
I can't let you go, baby.